Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, welcome to another 2K celebration. That's right, we're on our way. We've hit 2K and we're moving on forward and pressing on, and I have you all to thank for it. And I appreciate each and every one of you, and I have fantastic prizes for you guys. And today we are going to celebrate the 1750 mark. I hit that a while back. I don't even know really how far. I don't think it was that long ago. I seem to have been growing pretty quickly here, and again I have to thank you all. I appreciate you all so much. I wouldn't even be here without you, and I know that is a clear fact, and there's no way around that. And I want to show my appreciation, and today we're going to have another giveaway, and it's going to be in this box, and I've curated your own Goldie box just for you, and we're going to pop in here and see what you're going to get if you are the lucky winner. Now, I do have my #1 video series out. This is the 2K celebration series, and #1 is already out, so if you haven't seen that, you might want to go check my videos and be sure and join in on the fun. I'm just going to give y'all a little sneaky peeky because it's going to have the paper that Miss Jess put in this particular box, and she always uses this eco-friendly top packing paper, and you're going to have that in there for packing the box. So that's all going to be in there, and we're going to pop in here and I'm going to show you what you're getting. And I'm just going to pull it out as I can reach it. The first thing is, I'm not a regular mom. That's right, I'm a dog mom. Are you a dog mom? If you're a dog mom, you're going to love this. This is a note journal. It's made out of nice little, it's not plastic. It feels like material of some sort. So it's some type of material paper, and it's really nice. You're going to have that. You are going to get a little cosmetic bag, and inside this cosmetic bag, this came from the Body Shop, and inside here you're going to have some goodies. We have some lipstick in a nude, and this is Anastasia lipstick. You're going to get a lip mask by Babe. You're going to get a headband that you can adjust to fit your head just perfectly. You're going to get some Lottie blush. You're going to get some Pout Balm, and this is by Revolution, I believe. Yes, by Revolution, and it's in a clear, and I don't know if it has a scent or not. It says it's plumping lip gloss with vitamins, so that's what you're going to get there. You're going to get a Body Shop, and this is a Edelweiss concentrate liquid for your face, I believe, and this is enriched with natural origin peptides, so that is very nice, and that might be what this little book is all about, to tell you all about it, and that's going to be in there as well. And that's what's in the little cosmetic bag, so you'll kind of be set up for your lips and for your cheeks and for some serum beforehand. Oh, and of course, let's not forget, you're going to have the headband. Now, what else have we got in this box? Well, we've got a lot, actually. You're going to get some pop bands. These are for your hair, and or you can wear them on your wrist for decoration, for a bracelet. You're going to be able to use this exfoliating stretch towel. This is a Spa Solutions. This is very nice and feels really good, and you can just really reach those spots in your back. You are going to get a Mystic Forest, and let's check this out. Oh, this is just perfect for fall. Isn't that nice? Oh yeah, going into fall, that's going to be perfect. So you're going to get that eye palette. You're going to get a butterfly keychain. You're going to get a bracelet, and this has the Chara stones on there with the white. You're going to get a butterfly mirrored blossom. Let's see what's in here. Okay, I'm going to keep that a surprise. You're going to get this little surprise gift in here. I will tell you it's jewelry. You're going to get this linen Turkish towel. You're going to get what's inside this little bag. Let me see if I'm going to tell you what's in here. Okay, you're going to have another surprise inside this little bag, and it is, I guess you could say, lifestyle. I know it's little. You're going to get this Clean Freak brush. It's a little battery operated brush, a 2-in-1 dual action cleanser. So you're going to get that. This is the box that's not ending. You're going to get some hand cream. You're going to get some Chantico, and this is a dual chrome. I'm not going to open it up because it's all sealed in its package. It's probably pink, purple, or gold or something like that. Could be blue. You're going to get, this is something from Goldie Boxed, and it is a butterfly keepsake dish, and it's crystal. Isn't that beautiful? Oh yeah, this is so pretty. There was 2 in the package, and I'm going to share one with one of you. Isn't that beautiful? Oh yeah, I really like that. You're going to get a candle. Oh, it smells so good. This is a Surf's Up candle. It's a Hawaiian sun. Ooh, it smells like Hawaii. That is going to be a very nice candle to have. You're going to get Ivy Olivia satin eye mask, and it's all sealed. I'm going to leave it that way. You're going to get a bar of soap, and this is 92. It's a Spa Mud Deep Cleansing Bar with Savon, Purifiant, and Buoy Marine. It smells clean is the way I would say it. And then the last and final thing that is in here is you're going to get an activated charcoal 3-in-1 cleanser scrub mask, and I have used this. I bought an extra one for you guys, and I loved it. I used it all up, and it comes with its brush. So I hope you like my giveaway. That is my giveaway. Now, what do you have to do to enter this giveaway? You must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell. You must use the code word Goldie. Goldie Boxed, but just Goldie. You must use the code word Goldie, and you will be entered into this giveaway. YouTube and our Goldie Box or any of these brands that I showed are not affiliated with this giveaway in any shape or form. If you have allergies, then test a small area of your skin before you go full throttle on any skincare, and make sure that you're not going to have a reaction. I'm not responsible if you do, and I'm not responsible if the post office loses it or damages it or anything else. And I'm planning on sending this in the Goldie Box, but if it weighs too much, then it may come in the priority box that you can do. So if you don't get it in this box, it's because it ended up weighing too much and cost more, and shipping is so high I have to save wherever I can. But if I can ship it to you in this box, I certainly will. Now, I have determined that this giveaway for my 2K celebration is going to end on September 25th. So mark that on your calendar for all the giveaways. I'm going to do them all at once, and I am going to have at least one more video for my 2K celebration, and then it will be open and you can share this. Now, if you share, you do get an extra entry into this one. You can get one in the first one, and I have several that shared and they got second entries. But if you share it and let me know, and I can see it or whatever, then you will have another entry into this giveaway. So keep that in mind as well, because this looks like a pretty good giveaway, and I've got 2 surprises in here for you, and I just like it to be a little bit of a surprise part of it. Makes it a little fun, and you kind of got an idea. We're definitely going with a spa type deal here, but there's several other things in here as well. A little bit of jewelry, a little bit of makeup, hand cream. Like I said, just a little bit of everything. But I, again, want to thank you all for being a part of my YouTube family. I really, really do appreciate you. And as for today and my 2K celebration series number 2, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.